Hi everybody. Well, yeah, it's been a while. So I don't know how to film this. All right, so hi. I know it's been a while, but we are slowly starting to come back. I've been gone for months. If you checked out my last video, there's been a whole bunch of mental problems going on with me and like school, and just I started working and just a whole bunch of other stuff has been going on. But I don't want to dwell on the past too much, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am back, which I keep on saying. I may not be posting as frequently, but I am going to be actually starting to try to start posting again. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of updates, a whole bunch of things to let you guys know, but I'm thinking that just to ease our way back into it, I think we might start with a nice candle making video, nice calming, relaxing video. I finally got like overhead camera thing set up Majibber, which I'll show you guys in a second. I just reorganized the whole office area so we have more space to work with, and so yeah, we're gonna be making some candles. I'm thinking it's about time for a new updated candle video. So this will be that video. And so the intro is not too lengthy. I think I'm just gonna end it right there. So hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. And with that said, let's get right into the video.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
So this is a setup, y'all. Still work in progress, but this is what we're working with right now. This is the camera stand I'm going to be telling you. This is what I'm going to be filming the videos on. If you have any questions where I got anything, like this desk, for example, got it from Walmart. But if you have any questions, I'm not going to link them down below because it's like a lot of stuff I'm showing you right now. But like, if you have a question about it, just comment and I'll most likely reply. This is a big mess, but it will be organized and there will be shelves and everything right here. And this is like the little like cutesy area, which is being covered by these not so cutesy boxes. And yeah, again, a work in progress, but we're gonna be filming right here and we're gonna be doing some candle making. So let's get into that. Ignore my broken nails, but let's get into that right now. Hey y'all, what is up? So here we are again with the voiceover. As for new beginnings calls for new techniques. So here you see I'm basically pre-planning what I'm gonna be doing. This is a little notebook I picked up from the dollar store. I highly recommend that whenever you're making stuff, whether those are bath bombs or candles or anything else, to bring along a tiny notebook just for you to take notes about how the project itself is going, plan it out to avoid mistakes you might make, whether that's just little tiny mistakes, tips that might help you next time, anything like that. But essentially that's what I'm doing. I never did it before, but this is a very, very simple and very effective way to avoid those little mistakes that you might make in your process. But here I am just going to be writing a few notes and then we're going to actually hop into the video. Okay, so after I finish taking down all of my notes for the video, I'm just going to start getting my supplies out to actually start making the candles. So here is the box that my candle jars come in. It's a pack of 6 glass candle jars. I forgot what the name of the jar type was, but these jars were very inexpensive for the type of jar they were. I believe they were actually on sale for like 50% off. I got them from Hobby Lobby. I'll link all the information for these jars specifically down below. I'm not sure if they're still on sale, but I remember even when they weren't on sale, the non-sale price was still very good for these jars. I believe I actually show you. I might show you what's at the bottom. I think it has the price on the jars. But if you ever see it, just take that and then do 50% off. And that's the price I paid for these jars. I got about 48 of these. So I believe in this video I only make 24 candles, but here I am just taking the candles out of the packaging. I actually keep the box that these candle jars come in because these boxes are great to re-put your candles in, and they're great way to store your candles after they're made. Especially in my case because I believe I made 6 types of each scent, so it was just absolutely perfect for me just to store them and package them nice and neat in my office once I finished making the actual candles. I also kept the bubble wrap that the candle jars came in just to repackage the candles and just save, it's good to reuse packaging like that. But here I am. I have my Easy Double Wick from Candle Science, as well as my wicks itself I also got from Candle Science. I'll link all of this down below, by the way. But all I'm essentially doing is I am taking out some wicks and just apparently throwing them on the table. But I'm taking out some wicks and I am taking my wick tabs, and I am just gonna take my wick tabs and stick them on the bottom of my wicks after I put them into the easy wick setter. I highly recommend getting this too if you are starting your candle business. It just is like a lifesaver, and it's so convenient, and it's absolutely such a great investment for your candle business. But ignore my tops. The wick setter usually comes with like these 2 tabs, but they kept falling off, so I just like didn't bother putting them back on there. But yeah, that's why it's not there. But I'm just setting my wick tabs on my wicks, and then I'm gonna put them in my jar, and we're just gonna do that with all the jars here to get them prepped and ready to actually get some wax poured in them. Okay, so after I finished basically setting all the tabs down on in my candle jars, I am just going to take these I forgot what they're called, but I believe like wick setters, but I also got these from Candle Science, and all I'm using these to do is to hold my wicks in place and keep them straight up while I pour the wax in. And they're very cheap and expensive, but I'll have these linked as well. But we're just gonna do these to all the candles now. Okay, so after we finish all of our prepping, we are finally getting on to the fun part, which is actually making our candle. So here I am just cleaning out my bowl, wiping it. I have my spatula. I got these both from the dollar store. This bowl is microwave safe. And it's very big, so this is the bowl we're gonna be using. I'm just making sure my area is clean, everything's getting ready, but soon you're gonna see me take my scale out, and all I'm gonna do is just set my bowl on that, zero it out, and I'm going to measure my hard wax. I use 464 Golden Brand soy wax for my candles. I also get that from Candle Science as well. It's a really beginner friendly, I feel like, wax. I've been using it since I've started making candles, basically. I used to get wax from Michaels, but that was a very, very long time ago. But since I started taking my candle business, or this aspect of my business more officially and more seriously, I switched to 464 Golden Brand Wax, and I never switched to anything else. So it is my personal recommendation, but you're just gonna see me measure that out, and then I'm gonna go put this bowl into the microwave to melt. So yeah. So while my other bowl is in the microwave melting, I'm just over here measuring my fragrance oils separately, just to get it ready to pour into the wax, and just getting everything together. So all I'm doing is just pouring my fragrance oil. You're gonna see me repeat this process later when that's melting wax, pouring fragrance oil, melting wax, pouring fragrance oil. I have other bowls ready, so basically when I pour one wax bowl out of the microwave, I'm putting another one in, because they do take a while to melt all the wax completely. So I'm just having a smooth process going, but all I'm doing is alternating between melting wax, pouring fragrance oil, and then later in the process you'll see me start to mix the color in and put it all together and pour it into the candle. So after my wax is finished melting, I'm just taking it out of the microwave. I'm quickly going to just write a note down. I believe I wrote down how long it took for the wax to melt, so I don't have to watch it, and I can just time it instead. So I'm just making my process a little bit more efficient. These are the types of tips I'm referring to when I say it's good to have a notebook to write these things down. But I'm just taking a quick note of that. Afterwards, I am going to begin pouring my fragrance oil into my wax. I believe I poured it at 185 degrees Celsius, around there, 180, 185. I don't believe you want to pour it above 185 for soy wax. So I was just making sure my wax was the right temperature. But here you see I'm just pouring in my fragrance oil, and then I'm going to be adding in my dye soon, and I'm just going to begin incorporating that all together for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully combined. After I finished incorporating all of my ingredients into my wax, I'm over here just checking the temperature. I pour my soy wax at about 135 degrees Celsius, so I'm in Fahrenheit. So after I reach that point, or around that point, I'm just going to begin pouring the wax into my jars. After I pour the wax into my jars, I notice I have a little bit of wax left over. So what I like to do is I like to take this little heart mold I have, and I like to just pour the excess wax in there. This excess wax I'll use for different things. I might give away as free wax melt samples, or I might put them on top of other candles as like a cute decoration. You'll see me use some of these pink hearts actually on one of the candles I design later in the video, but yeah, this is what I do with my excess wax if I make a little bit too much. But as you can see, I'm just pouring that right in there. After I do this, I'm just taking some notes on how to avoid making too much for the next batch I make. And you're just gonna see me repeat this process of melting wax, pouring fragrance oil, mixing in dye, and pouring the wax into my candle jars until I'm completely done making all the fragrances and candles that I need. So I'm just gonna fast forward until the end of my process, but enjoy the show and enjoy the candle making. background noise is to have the microwave going because I have more candles that I have to make, which I probably said in the voiceover. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how I go through my candle making process, at least now. It's a little bit different from how I did in previous videos, but you know, as time goes, growth comes with it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this updated version. If you guys have any questions, comments about anything that I used in this video, I will have some stuff linked down in the description, so make sure you check that out first. But if you don't see what you're asking for in the description, then you can comment it down below and I should be able to get back to you and reply. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, anything at all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a very, very awesome, great day. Goodbye.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be so